inside your kit you will have a 500-gram ball of the most beautiful twisty yarn from Woolly Mahusive. I think you'll agree it's absolutely gorgeous and super soft. And you will also have a star wreath frame measuring 45 centimetres. So what we're going to be doing today is making giant crochet stitches with just our fingers. We're not going to be using any crochet hooks or anything like that. And we're going to be making our stitches around the frame edge, one by one, and then we'll negotiate the points of the star and work our way all the way around, just making stitches with our fingers. What we need to do first, if I move the star out of the way for a moment, is we need to find the end of our yarn. Sometimes it's tucked in and hiding. Unravel ourselves a bit of yarn. It's always good to have a bit of working yarn available. You don't want to be working too close to the ball over here because you'll find that it keeps tugging and getting in your way. So unravel a fair amount. And then what we want to do is create a slip knot towards the end or tail end of our yarn. So to do that, we're going to fold the yarn over itself like that. And then we're going to take the yarn that's crossed over at the front and we're just going to pop it, take it to the right there and just pop it up through the back. Okay, so we've got a loop that comes up through the back. And then if we pull on the tail, that fastens into a knot. Do it nice and tight. And then if you pull on the working yarn, so going to the ball, you can adjust the size of that loop little by little. Okay, so what we want to keep our loops. We're going to be working a lot with loops. We want to keep the loops just big enough to move our finger and thumb inside, okay, but not super tall. So really it's about 1.5 to 2 inches high, no more than that.